Electric Tea Kettle, Best Electric Tea Kettle. What is a kettle? A kettle, sometimes called a tea kettle or tea kettle, is a type of pot, typically metal, specialized for boiling water, with a lid, spout, and handle, or a small kitchen appliance of similar shape that functions in a self-contained manner. Kettles can be heated either by placing on a stove, or by their own internal electric heating element in the appliance versions. Best Electric Tea Kettle. Number 1. Aicok Stainless Steel Cordless Electric Tea Kettle with British Strix Control. It is a durable and brushed stainless steel plus kettle. The Aicok electric kettle make the best tea, coffee, oat, instant noodles, or milk. This electric tea kettle provide you a wonderful breakfast or afternoon tea leisure time. Features. The Aicok is stainless steel kettle with 304 food grade. This kettle is made completely of premium 304 stainless steel. This steel is great health-wise and gathers rust hardly. It is considered the best material for durability. Aicok is a fast-boiling electric tea kettle. If you value efficiency or want your morning cup of coffee to be ready faster each day, this is your good choice in favor of electric kettles. Because the Aicok electric kettle is boiling at 1500 watts power. It boils water in a fast speed even when it was filled to the max line 1.7 liter. Aicok is a safe and precise water boiler. This kettle would auto shut off promptly when the water reaches a boil, because it is equipped with British Strix thermostat control, considered as the world's leading thermostat. It will automatically switch off when it's done, easy and safe. Wide opening. The built-in removable filter easily separates tea leaves from the water and it is simple to clean. Cordless kettle design. Aicok kettle is cordless and the heating system is in the bottom of the kettle, so it will be easier to clean this kettle. The Aicok electric kettle is a quality warranty of 2 years. The Aicok electric kettle is a one-touch key. It prevents steam water burns, because by pressing the key, the lid is open at 75 degree. But you can still expand it to 90 degree for easy filling and cleaning. The Aicok electric kettle is a wide opening lid which can open at 90 degrees. These makes the using and the cleaning easy. Top customer reviews. Review by Webster. Right out of the box I was excited about this product. Only 2 pieces, the kettle and the electric base. All you have to do is set the kettle on the heating base and flip the switch on the base to turn it on. Once the water is heated, it automatically turns itself off. I compared the speed of heating to a stovetop kettle. Both were tested at 1 liter of water. The stovetop kettle, heated on high, took 4:36 to heat, while the electric kettle only took 2:44. The speed itself makes this product worth it, but also the safety of using this product. Since it automatically turns off after water has boiled, you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn the stovetop off, or kids burning their hands on the heating pad. Also, it is easier to pour than a stovetop kettle, having a better design. The lid actually opens up to 90 degrees, so it is easy to fill/clean. This is a great product. If you do not have one, I would highly recommend buying it. Cons. 1. It takes a while to boil the water. 1500 W power is sufficient, but you won't be impressed with speed. 2. It's quite loud while the water is heating up. 3. The steel part gets super hot. It's not safe to touch except by the handle. 4. The water level window is only on one side. 5. There was plastic smell to the kettle initially, but it will fade/go away after few days of use. Pros. 1. It can rotate on a base. 2. It powers well. 3. It's not bad looking. 4. It's cheap. Customer questions and answers. Question 1. Does it shut off automatically once water is boiled? Answer. Yes, it does. Once the water gets to a boil, which for me is about 6 minutes and 45-ish seconds, the kettle automatically switches off. I hear a click and the light in the switch turns off as well. Question: does the lid open for filling? Answer: the lid does open to fill water in but not fully aft the kettle top. It is push button beside.